Pedro in the bush. Hey, you're in the bush? In the gold fields, hey? Are you digging for gold, baby P? Are you digging for gold? This is our campsite, and Pedro's out of the cage, playing with his bell. And it's nighttime. Look, it's dark. We're having dinner. We're having braised steak with onion and potato and corn. Hey?
And a nice red wine to go with it.
Yeah, nice red wine. And Pedro's playing with his bell.
Hey? Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Hey?
Budgie.
Wanna give Daddy a kiss kiss?
Budgie.
Give Mommy a kiss kiss. Hey? One peck on his bell, one peck on the ground. Isn't it, Pedro? Hey? Hey, Pedro, there's a big moth there. Hey, you're gonna get scared with the moth. Hey, you wanna eat Mommy's shoes? Look. There's little bugs flying around, Pedro. Hey, there's little bugs. Look at him. Hey, can I eat my dinner now? Call him more.
Here, Pedro.
Come on, go to Daddy.
Come here, Pedro.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Pedro.
Go to.
Come on. You play with your bills. You play with your,
Okay, go inside now.
you play with your bills.
You're tired now.
Buddy,
You're
buddy,
sleepy.
buddy, 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 buddy. You go sleep now, Pedro.
Look at his eyes. Closing his eyes.
You go sleep now, baby P. You go sleep, baby P.
Sleepy little Pedro. Hey, you sleepy? I know.
And we can let you out at night time, hey Pedro, when it's dark. Because we know you're a chicken. Hey Pedro.
But we just can't let him out during the day because he'll fly away. He'll get too excited.
Oh yeah, you fly too far in the day.
Yeah, and then he wouldn't know where he came from.
Because you can see trees, you just fly to the nearest tree.
Yeah, I know.
You don't want to. No.
Okay, that's it. He just wants to stay in the cage. Okay, come on, come to Mommy. Come. Come on. Come on. You're
Come, Daddy.
such a good girl.
Come, Daddy.
There you go. One hand camera, the other hand. Oh, you can't have this. You can't have potato, Pedro. Corn. Want some corn? Corn, Pedro. You like corn, don't you? Okay. You miss your corn. There you go. Okay, you go to Daddy. I get you another corn. Go to Daddy. Come on. He just wants to eat with Mommy. That's what it is, you glutton. Hey? Woo! Okay. Okay. Is that nice corn? I want more. Hang on, Pedro.
I'm not even scared of the fire.
No, hang on. We got a fire in the background there, look. More corn. Okay, that's enough now. He's not going to stop. Okay, I'll stop this.
Are you trying to say this? Right? I'm going to run it. With this Tuesday. That's like that.
Mommy's not eating. He heard me chewing. Go play with your bell. Come on. Okay, there you go. Come on. Come. Aham. You gonna talk to me? You talk to mommy? Hey? Baby P, you talk to mommy? Ooh. It's in the dark, Pedro. Go to daddy.